3, 2, 1.
Who plays Dr. House in the TV show House MD? The answer is C. Hugh Laurie. What is the score 0-0 called in tennis? The answer is A. Love all. What is the traditional Turkish sweet made of gel of starch and sugar, often flavored with rosewater or lemon? The answer is B. Turkish delight. Which of these renewable resources results in an increase in pollution when used to produce energy? The answer is C. Biomass. Which is the best action to help protect water resources in Virginia? The answer is C. Organize a river cleanup program. What unit of time is equal to a minute 60 seconds? The answer is A. Hour. A student has a ball of clay that sinks when placed in a pan of water. Which property should he change to make the clay float? The answer is D. Shape. What was the dollar value of cranberries imported from Canada for Thanksgiving 2005? The answer is C. $2.2 million. Atomic orbitals are populated with what subatomic particles? The answer is B. Electrons. Which of these is a basketball team based in Phoenix? The answer is D. Phoenix Suns. I have 8 wheels, I go round and round. What am I? The answer is A. Toy car. Which novel is narrated by a large talking mouse named Thomas Brock? The answer is C. Watership Down. Who holds the record for the largest pumpkin ever grown? The answer is A. Steve Getz. Which instrument has a round back and 4 strings that are plucked with a bow? The answer is A. Violin. I'm small, plastic, and make sounds. What am I? The answer is A. Headphones. What is the successor to Windows XP, introduced by Microsoft in 2007? The answer is B. Windows 7. Which ancient civilization built the famous Hanging Gardens of Babylon? The answer is C. Assyria. I'm a liquid that can dissolve sugar, but not metal. What am I? The answer is C. Ethanol. I'm used to write, but can't read. What am I? The answer is A. Pencil. Who set the record for the largest collection of rubber ducks? The answer is A. Robert Burns. What 2003 best-selling novel by Dan Brown was denounced by Roman Catholics for being anti-Christian? The answer is B. The Da Vinci Code. Reef sponges typically have what type of beneficial relationships with other reef species? The answer is B. Symbiotic. What type of vascular plants produce seeds in cones? The answer is C. Gymnosperms. A red veggie I eat raw. Some call me radish, but that's not law. What am I? The answer is A. Beetroot. I'm made of fabric and have a zipper, but I can't unfasten it. What am I? The answer is C. Zip-up pillow. Who is known as the father of the Internet? The answer is A. Tim Berners-Lee. What has no beginning or end, but is always moving? The answer is A. Space-time continuum. The deepest part of the ocean, called the Mariana Trench, is located near which Pacific island? The answer is B. Palau. I'm deep, dark, and full of mystery. What am I? The answer is C. Ocean. On what continent is the Great Sandy Desert located? The answer is D. Australia. The heart, blood vessels, and blood make up which system in the body? The answer is C. Cardiovascular. American actor Jerry Orbach was born on October 20, 1935 in which city? The answer is A. New York City. I bring you to different worlds without moving. What am I? The answer is C. Movie theater. To what island did Mata Hari and her husband Rudolf MacLeod move? The answer is A. Java. I'm not alive, but I have a heart that pumps. What am I? The answer is B. Car engine. Which biological molecule carries genetic information? The answer is D. DNA. Mike has to be to school at 8:00 a.m. If it takes him 25 minutes to walk to school, what time should he leave? The answer is B. 7:35 a.m. I can play many tunes at once. What am I? The answer is B. Accordion. Which disease is caused by a deficiency in vitamin D? The answer is A. Ricketts. Which president wrote under the pen name Petros Stavros, meaning Rocky Stone? The answer is C. Chester Arthur. What force pulls people and objects toward the center of the Earth? The answer is D. Gravity. I'm round, used for counting, and often yellow. What am I? The answer is C. Sun. The koala is from which continent? The answer is D. Australia. Who directed Inception and Interstellar? The answer is B. Michael Bay. To protect themselves from consumers, which action would an animal most likely take? The answer is D. Appearing the same as surroundings. Which pair would be most necessary for life to develop on another planet? The answer is C. Liquid water and carbon. Which of these is a popular drink in the Dominican Republic? The answer is A. Mama Juana. I'm never hurt by falling, but I am broken by time. What am I? The answer is C. Clock. Which of these is not a branch of U.S. government? The answer is D. Warfare. Which is not a member of the Interplanet Group?